personal story ko lang dahil nung nagra-ride hailing rin ako. Pag nagbubook ka kasi, syempre gusto mo yung convenience, gusto mo rin yung mabilis at saka yung service. So what we're trying to accomplish here is yung nagbubook ako at one point in time, o hindi lang one point in time, madalas, pag malapit na, sometimes takes more than 30 minutes, tapos nakaka-cancel yung ride. So, I got an idea, na-inspired ako doon sa paano ko ba, paano ba masosolve to. Then I got a call from a friend, now my co-founder, his name is Jason, and then we came up with the idea to build this platform, no? And now known as Pickup. And the reason behind all those things is to provide and solve all these complex issues in terms of the convenience, the availability, the law of supply, and more importantly, the pricing. Tapos yung issues of cancellation. Yan. Or for both not only for sa akin bilang a passenger, but also issues rin from the driver side.
So maganda pala siya kasi kayo mismo nakaka-relate dun sa mga issues ng commuters dahil na-experience.
Tama. So with that in mind, since simulan namin, we did a lot of research both here and around the world, no? And talagang tinest namin, we have conducted multiple thousands and thousands, if not to be accurate as of now, more than 30,000 trials on both sa applications and our platform. Hindi lang doon sa rides, kundi on both ends, no? Para masigurado natin na talagang this will really, we're building a very robust, a very strong platform na kakaiba sa the usual na ginagamit na sa ngayon, no? I think this is something that is unique, something that is actually exciting to look forward to.
And we can proudly say na pinaghandaan pala to, pinag-isipan, hindi lang siya basta sumulpot eh. Like mayroon palang mga trials and tests.
Tama, no. So ito is conducted, no. So marami kaming build up na team behind it. And we really get the best people surrounded this technology na talagang pinaghandaan natin. Hindi natin ito minadali. Bagamat in our opinion, mabilis ang pag-build up nito in a short less than a year. Na-build up natin, we were able to present this to our regulatory and with flying colors and with fully complied. We showed and highlighted how we're going to address those issues and solving yung mga problema yan, and more importantly provide the competition to provide yung sa public, kasi pag may competition mas maganda yan sa Filipino people kasi we're providing a better choice for the public. So Pickup is providing a better choice for our Filipino people.